Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Insta360 X5 and its predecessor Insta360 X4. Both are 360-degree action cameras that push boundaries, but the X5 introduces some serious upgrades like a larger 1/1.28-inch sensor, a powerful new triple AI chip system, and even a next-level replaceable lens. On the other hand, the X4 was already a beast with its 8K video support, solid rugged build, and excellent AI features that many creators have come to love. But the big question is, what's new, and is it worth upgrading? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two action-packed cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build. At first glance, the Insta360 X5 and X4 look nearly identical with same size, same shape, same weight class, with the X5 just a hair lighter at 200 grams. They both come with the familiar 2.5-inch touchscreen, identical button layout, and rugged IP68 water and dust resistance. The materials feel premium, just as you'd expect from Insta360 brand. But if you flip them over, the X5 starts to pull ahead with a beefed-up microphone setup that uses a multi-layer steel mesh wind guard to dramatically cut down on wind noise. It's a subtle change, but one that makes a noticeable difference in audio quality, especially for creators shooting outdoors. Another quiet yet convenient change is the USB-C 3.0 port moving to a different spot under the buttons, making it tidies up cable management. If you're someone who does a lot of outdoor filming or cares about capturing cleaner audio, the X5 brings the edge here. For others, especially those using external mics, the X4 still delivers a solid experience. Moving on to lens and video quality, this is where the X5 really flexes its muscles. The biggest upgrade is the 1/1.28-inch sensor, compared to the X4's smaller half-inch one. That alone makes a huge difference in low-light environments, such as footages comes out clearer, sharper, and with significantly less noise. The X5 also uses a more advanced triple AI chip system to boost image processing, and it leverages super sampling from 11K to enhance 8K recordings with stunning detail. On the other hand, the X4 still supports 8K video at 30 frames per second and shoots beautiful video, but lacks the new Insta-Frame and Pure Video modes introduced with the X5. The Pure Video feature is adapted from the Insta360 Ace Pro, and it's a game changer for nighttime or indoor footage, bringing those darker scenes to life without much noise. And there's something serious for the creative crowd with the X5's lens now being replaceable. While there aren't macro or specialty lenses yet, this opens up possibilities for future accessories. The X4's lens guard is helpful, but the X5 takes customizability and performance a step further. So if video quality is your priority, especially in tough lighting, the X5 is the way to go. But if you're mostly filming in good lighting and don't need the extras, the X4 still holds its own. When it comes to battery and mounting, the X5 again shows some thoughtful improvements. It packs a slightly larger 2,400 mAh battery, which pushes recording time up to 185 minutes in endurance mode at 5.7K videos at 24 frames per second. That's a notable upgrade over the X4's 2,290 mAh battery, which can't quite keep up in longevity or charging speed. Speaking of which, the X5 charges from 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes, perfect for creators on the go. On the flip side, mounting the camera has also gotten easier thanks to the X5's new magnetic base, eliminating the need for that old screw-on plate. Whether you're hopping between a bike mount, car mount, or the invisible selfie stick, this is a way more fluid setup. Both cameras are waterproof, but the X5 can dive deeper, up to 49 feet without housing, compared to 33 feet on the X4. For adventurers and vloggers who want fewer accessories and more freedom to move, the X5 clearly brings more convenience to the table. But if you're budget conscious and don't mind an extra plate or slightly shorter battery life, the X4 is still a rock-solid choice. In terms of smart features and the app experience, both cameras are packed, but the X5 again pushes ahead with some shiny new tricks. Starting off with the Insta-Frame mode. It's a standout feature, which lets you capture both a regular flat video and a full 360-degree version simultaneously. That's a dream for creators who want flexibility in post. The X5 also adds Pure Video mode for low-light recording, upgraded gesture controls, better voice recognition, and even a new twist-to-shoot gesture. Both cameras support all the fan-favorite modes like bullet time, time shift, star lapse, and more. The Insta360 app got a refresh too. It's cleaner, faster, and now includes one-tap D-warp for eliminating fisheye distortion. It keeps all the beloved editing tools from the X4 era, such as AI Edit, Quick Edit, Shot Lab, but wraps them in a sleeker interface. If you're all about fast and fun editing, the improved app workflow makes the X5 a better fit. As for my final verdict, the Insta360 X5 is a top-tier 360 camera that checks a lot of boxes. It takes everything that made the X4 excellent and levels it up with meaningful upgrades like the larger sensor, changeable lens, superior low-light performance, and a much improved user interface. That being said, the X4 is still an incredible camera. If you already own it, there's no rush to upgrade unless you're really after that improved low-light performance or the convenience of the new mount system. So, if you're a content creator constantly chasing high-quality footage in all lighting conditions, the X5 is a powerhouse you'll want in your gear bag. But if you're happy with what the X4 offers and want to save a bit, it's still more than capable of capturing stunning 360 adventures.